其实我身后这些房子呢，经过这个7级的强震啊，已经变得非常的危险，随时的都有可能倒塌的危险。刚才一个年轻人告诉我，这座是他的家，然后旁边呢是他朋友的房子。我们去看看他朋友房子的损毁情况。来，摄像请跟着我，小心脚下。这个房子呢，也是一样3层楼，现在已经变成了1层楼。这上面2层呢，已经全部的塌到第1层了。他告诉我说呢，现在他和他的朋友呢，只能去投奔住在马拉喀什的一些亲戚朋友，他们没有地方住。
So my name is Ahmed. I'm from this city, and actually this is my home and. My family is from here, this home, yeah. Actually, this is a big phenomenon. It's a lot of people who died. This is actually I'm not very happy because some friend is like from my family, from another family.
So now where do you want to move?
Another city like Marrakesh or another city, more safe of it.
Do you have friends or relatives?
Yeah, I have some family. I have
there?
some family from another city of here. Yeah.
Be safe and take care.
Yeah, and take care.